Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Marquette, Michigan, a lively city on the southern shores of Lake Superior. Known for its stunning natural beauty and outdoor adventures, Marquette is the largest city in Michigan's Upper Peninsula. The city is surrounded by forests, rivers, and the vast blue waters of Lake Superior, offering breathtaking views and plenty of opportunities for hiking, biking, and exploring. Marquette's history is deeply tied to the iron ore industry. In the mid-1800s, rich deposits of iron were discovered in the area, leading to a mining boom that shaped the region's growth. The city became a major port for shipping iron ore across the Great Lakes, and you can still see remnants of this industrial past in the historic buildings and landmarks around town. The Marquette Iron Range Historical Museum offers a fascinating look into this important chapter of the city's history. Outdoor enthusiasts will find plenty to love in Marquette. The city is a gateway for adventures in the great outdoors, with trails like the Nokemanon Trail Network offering miles of paths for hiking and mountain biking. In the winter, these trails transform into routes for snowshoeing and cross-country skiing. Nearby, the shores of Lake Superior provide a stunning backdrop for beachcombing and picnicking, while the famous Presque Isle Park offers rocky cliffs and serene woodlands to explore. Marquette is also home to Northern Michigan University, which brings a youthful energy to the city. The university's campus is a hub of activity, with students and locals alike enjoying its green spaces and cultural events. The city's vibrant downtown area is filled with shops, cafes, and restaurants offering a taste of local flavors and crafts. Whether you're here to enjoy the natural beauty, delve into the history, or simply relax by the lake, Marquette welcomes you with open arms and plenty of opportunities for adventure and discovery. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Marquette, Michigan.